I'm going to show you how I make a repair heddle for my Glimakra loom. First of all, I pick a yarn that's a bright color. I have a 3/2 pearl cotton in this magenta, and I'm going to cut a piece between 8 and 9 inches long. And then I'm going to take it to the loom and get a heddle and show you how I do the repair heddle. I go to the back of the loom and I find the spot that I want to insert the replacement heddle. I take a heddle that I use for the loom. It's the same size as the other ones. I slip the end of it on the lower heddle bar, and then I bring my fingers underneath the eyes of the other heddles that are on that bar and pull that heddle through to the spot that I want to insert it. Then I take the colorful yarn that I cut, that's the 8.5 inches or so. I double it over, slip it through the top of the heddle, make a lark's head knot by pulling the two ends through the loop of the colored yarn. And then I bring that over the top of the heddle bar. Separate the two ends of the colored yarn, bring it around the heddle, and tie a square knot. And this makes my perfect replacement heddle in the spot that I need. Then I can rethread my loom through that heddle. Now the thing that's nice about the colored yarn is once I'm done weaving and I want to remove this temporary heddle, I just go to the top and I bring my scissors underneath one part of the colored yarn, cut it, and then I can just pick that lark's head knot out once I've taken the heddle off the heddle bar, and I can put it back in the box and save it for the next time.